Bon dia, and welcome to Move to Portugal Daily, Episode 1, 2026-0508. I'm Mateos Costa with the Portuguese Pride Network. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you exactly what you need on registering for Portuguese healthcare, SNS. The documents, the real euro figures, and the local next steps for Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve. Let's run the numbers.
Picture this. You step off the train in Lisbon with a suitcase in one hand and a folder of papers in the other, and you realize your first health appointment matters more than you expected. If you don't sort access to the SNS quickly, a minor problem becomes a costly delay. Today, I'll make sure you walk into that Centro de Saúde with confidence and leave with a plan.
Here's the promise and the number. 3 concrete outcomes in under 10 minutes. 1. Exact documents and where to present them. 2. Realistic costs you'll face. Think taxes moderadoras of about 2 to 10 euros per public visit, private GP visits 40 to 90 euros, and private insurance 25 to 120 euros per month depending on coverage and age. And 3. Local next steps for Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve, so you know which Centro de Saúde to visit first.
First, SNS 101. The Cartão de Utente, the SNS user card, links you to a local health center and gives you access to primary care, referrals to specialists, hospital care when required, and subsidized medicines. EU citizens with an EHIC or S1 follow a different path, but non-EU residents, D7, digital nomad, and many golden visa holders will need a NIF and proof of residency or ongoing legal stay to register. The NIF is essential. Think of it as the key to public services. Without it, you can't get a proper registration at the Centro de Saúde.
Second, step-by-step SNS registration. Go to your local Centro de Saúde, not the hospital ER, and bring these documents: passport, NIF, proof of address, rental contract or utility bill, and residency card or CEF appointment confirmation if you have one. If you're in transition, bring a stamped arrival or hotel confirmation plus a CEF appointment email. Ask for registration at reception. In Portuguese, it's Pedido de Inscripción no SNS, and they will issue a pre-registration number and, normally, a temporary identification while they process your Cartão de Utente. Timelines and common delays. Many centers issue a temporary number the same day, but issuing the physical Cartão de Utente can take anywhere from 1 week to 1 month depending on local demand. Typical delays come from missing translated documents, an unregistered address, or a NIF registered in a different name. Don't assume email confirmations alone will suffice. Bring certified copies and, if needed, a simple Portuguese translation for key pages.
Third, costs and real comparisons. In the SNS, you will generally pay taxas moderadoras, small copays, of roughly 2 euros for nurse care, up to 10 euros for specialized consultations, depending on service. Contrast that with private GP visits, which commonly run 40 to 90 euros in Lisbon and Porto, and slightly higher in parts of the Algarve during high season. Private health insurance plans vary widely. Basic outpatient-focused plans start around 25 to 40 euros per month for younger, healthy applicants. More comprehensive plans that include private hospital care and lower copays sit in the 60 to 120 euros per month range, especially for older applicants or those with pre-existing conditions. Always get age and condition-specific quotes and add a buffer of 20 to 50 euros per month when planning your budget.
Regional tips. Lisbon, Centro de Saúde Lisbon Norte, and the larger parishes often handle many registrations. Expect similar day pre-registration, but 2 to 4 week waits for the physical card. In Porto, check your parish center, Unidades de Saúde Familiar, in Faz, Boa Vista, or central neighborhoods. Smaller centers can be quicker. Algarve, Fado is the main hub. In smaller towns like Lagos or Tavira, buy short-term private cover for the first 4 to 8 weeks because local centers can have limited administrative hours and longer processing. If you plan to live in a tourist-heavy pocket of the Algarve, factor in seasonal staffing slowdowns. Action steps and mistakes to avoid. 6-point arrival checklist. 1. Obtain a NIF before your Centro de Saúde visit. 2. Bring passport, original documents, and 2 certified copies. 3. Have a proof of address, rental contract, or utility bill in your name. 4. Bring CEF appointment confirmation or residency card if available. 5. Buy short-term private insurance for the first 4 to 8 weeks to cover gaps. 6. Call the Centro de Saúde ahead to confirm the local list of documents. 3 common paperwork traps: registering without a NIF, relying on untranslated documents, and failing to confirm your exact Centro de Saúde because catchment areas vary. Each can add weeks to your wait time.
Listener question: I arrived on a tourist visa. Can I register? Short answer: you can often get a temporary SNS registration number with a passport, proof of address, and a CEF appointment confirmation or booking. But long-term access and the physical cartón de utente usually requires legal residency or a formal visa. Practical tip: buy short-term private insurance the moment you arrive. A basic plan will cost roughly 25 to 60 euros per month and will protect you while you get the NIF and CEF steps completed. If you're unsure, DM us your scenario and we'll point you to the right checklist.
Downloadable checklist and the next step. Grab the free SNS arrival checklist at the Portuguese Pride Network. It lists the exact documents, sample translations, Centro de Saúde phone numbers for Lisbon, Porto, and Faro, and a short recommended private insurance list. DM your specific scenario and we'll reply with tailored next steps.
Quick recap. 3 numbers to remember. Taxes moderatas, roughly 2 to 10 euros per public visit. Private GP visits, 40 to 90 euros. And private insurance, roughly 25 to 120 euros per month, depending on coverage and age. If this helped, hit subscribe on YouTube and follow on your favorite podcast app. For more information, visit nomadlifesuccess.com. That's your move today. This is Mateus Costa, Saúde, and I'll see you tomorrow.